Some really nice clouds today, eh? I've always wanted to take this path into town, but I've never actually bothered trying to get onto it. Okay, I'm kind of on someone's property here, but I can see a good shortcut up to the path that I want to take. I'm sure they won't mind. Well, I made it up here. Let's see where this path takes us, eh? Man, this path is nice. I guess this is where I go down. Today's the day. I'm finally going to finish this mandala today. All this commotion. Oh man, that was a long process. It's really weird actually. I thought I'd be really excited to finish it, but to be honest, I feel kind of sad that it's over. I mean, I'm happy that it's finished. And it does look really cool, and the studio looks a lot better with it. Why do I feel sad that it's over? I think I'm just exhausted from it, to be honest. I ended up going into a trance a lot of the time. I wouldn't even say it was fun. It was just something something that I did. Let's go. So I just want to talk about what happened earlier. When I finished the mandala, I just felt all of my energy get sapped from me. I think what it was just like relief that it was over, because it just kept going on and on and on. Like, it was just never ending. And you know, I really enjoyed it, and I was always really excited to carry on with it. I don't know why, but just in that last moment, as soon as it was finished and it was all done and I knew I wouldn't be working on it again, I just lost all my energy, and I had no energy to celebrate. I had no desire to even look at it anymore. I guess that's just the problem with when you're staring at something for so long. You just don't want to look at it anymore, even when it's finished. over it. Then I stepped away from it and I took a bit of time. Then I realised it was really cool, and it was totally worth it. I mean, of course it was worth it. You know, it's a piece that I'm really happy with. Do you know what this has taught me though? It's important to always be working on something. Because when I was working on this, the whole time I was working on it, I was like really happy. And then the moment it ended, I was sad. I think that's what life's all about, is like never stopping. Just always be creating. Always be working on something new. Some new project. Something that excites you, you know? Something that gets you fired up. Right, I'm gonna have a run around with this dog.